guys. This is Larissa from Ahong Abrasives.
Hi, hey guys, this is the bro. So cute.
You can follow up.
Yeah, follow us.
Just
Look here.
remember you too.
Look here, yeah. I'm the bro from Ahong Abrasives. You can see our company name. Jia County Ahong Abrasives. Yeah. Yeah, so let's start. Okay. So as you know, I want to introduce our company to you again. We are a company which has 20 years of experience in abrasive field. Yeah, we are a manufacturer, not trading company. We are a manufacturer. We manufacture many kinds of products like. Larissa, what do we manufacture?
Oh, you don't know our product?
No, you know, most of the customers like beauty to tell them the information of the products. So I want you to tell them about our main products.
We have two factories. One old factory is mainly for produce fiberglass backing height. Another factory is for finished product like a flap disc, sandbelt, and flap wheel. Also fiberglass backing plate.
Yeah. Besides those products, we also manufacture products like fiber disc and some other products. As you heard just now, we have two factories. One is focused on fiberglass backing. That factory is 4,000 square meters. And can you imagine how large it is of our another factory?
Just imagine.
Yeah, I'll give you 3 seconds, okay? 3, and after 3 seconds, I will tell you the answer, okay? 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'll tell you. Another factory is 26 square meters. Yeah, it's
Whoa,
really big, right? Yeah, it's really big.
big.
Oh, Larissa, please check the background information, background messages.
Oh, there is no any.
Oh, there are some messages. Oh, there are already some customers ask for samples. Yeah. What?
No.
Oh, okay. Brothers and sisters, there's a big surprise for you now. You know, as you heard from Anita and Esther's words, you can get free samples from the live room today. And also, if you can be active in our live room,
How to be active in during our live broadcast? Follow us.
Yeah. This is the simplest
Don't forget to
way.
follow us.
And
Yes, you can chat to us and click link below to know more about our product. You also can send inquiry to us and ask a catalog to know more about our products.
Okay. So, do you hear her? Just to do that, and I will tell you the big surprise. We will offer you free samples today, and also in those samples, after your test, if you are satisfied with the samples, and when you want to set the order, and my manager just said, when you want to set the order, you can get a big discount for the regular order. But just for the samples, you send us messages from the background messages. Or you can write in the screen. And so please private messages us. And for the products our colleagues talk about just now, or the products we will talk about later. Okay.
Let's move on our main topic today. Today we will talk about sandbelt.
Yeah. Sanding belts is our main topic today. So,
Do you know
yeah, what?
how many brands of coated abrasives do you know? The brands.
The brands?
Yeah.
Okay, coated abrasives. There are some famous brand in the world like
Yeah.
VSM,
Yeah.
Sandbelt,
Yes.
and also D-Force.
Before. Yes.
What others? For now, I just remember these three. Maybe.
This the imported brand.
Yeah, they're
also have
really
a
famous.
Expensive price.
Yeah,
Also,
yeah.
we also have some local brands like Kinkado. You must know it. Very
Oh,
famous.
Kinkado, yeah.
Yes, and the Sanding, Cell and Far Extra.
What?
Yes.
Is there some other brand?
Yes, this brand we all cooperate with, so you can get the samples of this brand easily. Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Yes.
Okay. So, okay. So, do you know the matter of the sanding belts? Okay. I think most of you will know. There are like aluminum oxide, the cornea, and the ceramic. And there's also a popular kind in the world, but not really popular as the first three kinds. That is silicon carbide. So there are mainly 4 kinds of sanding belts in the world's market now. Let me repeat it again. They are aluminum oxide, like this. This is aluminum oxide.
No. This is a compact green. It's very big
Yeah.
green.
This is aluminum oxide, and like the cornea. This is the cornea. Yeah. And this is ceramic. Yeah. It can be the most expensive material for abrasive. And this is silicon carbide. Yeah. So there are these 4 kinds of sanding belts in the world, and they are suitable for different market in the world. So can you please tell our customers where do we export the sanding belts to?
For abrasive belt, we have export to United Kingdom, South Arabic, and Indian, and Vietnam, and some Germany, and like.
Okay. Yeah. We have a data for the export. We have exporting data. Our exporting department is set up from 2014 and till now. We export to more than 70 countries in the world. Yeah, it's right. Yeah, and as I know, but Larissa, which country do you export sanding belts mostly to?
I remember there is a customer from United Kingdom because I always receive the prints from him because just like I think I just did the thing every sales can do, but like send the samples in shorthand and.
Wow.
Yes, even in the midnight in China. So just in order to solve his emergency, so I can send him samples in 3 days. So
wow.
yes, also send him the price in midnight. Also provide the solutions when problems like that. So
yeah.
I remember a sentence he said. It's sometimes it's not about the price, but also the service is very important. Yes. So
Yeah. Live in Jia County Yihong Abrasives.
Thank you.
She is really popular with our customers. And you know, we always receive some calls during the work time, and we will say, hello, this is Jack County A-Home Abrasives. What can I do for you? And the customers will say, I want to talk with Larissa.
We love you, Larissa.
Thank you.
Yeah, so
Could you introduce the applications of aluminum oxide, zirconia, ceramic, and silicon carbide?
yeah, of course. Okay, let's talk about the products clearly now. So I know you are waiting for a long time too, waiting for me, right? Okay,
Yes.
nobody waiting for me. Okay, so I want to talk about the aluminum oxide sanding belts with you, and let me find we can see this one. Okay, this is a aluminum oxide sanding belts. You can why it's called sanding, and there are many other names for it, like abrasive belt. Why you can see it's like a belt, yeah, and
It's a belt, not it's like.
yeah, it's a belt, and the material of it is aluminum oxide. You can see the aluminum oxide is always dark red, and sometimes it will be brown, yeah, and it is suitable for most of the works in your daily life. Like it's mostly suitable for the metal and wood, yeah. For the metal and wood and some many kinds of work, and it can be most profitable for customers because it's the cheapest material in during those four kinds of abrasives, and the size of it can be changed. It can be really small, like
This one.
yeah, it can be really small like this one, and it can be really long, longer than this table. Yeah.
We have made the very long belt. Do you know the length of the belt? We ever.
I don't know, but my manager know. Owen, please tell our customers the longest sanding belt we manufacture.
Yeah, the total length is 14 meters.
14 minutes.
Wow,
Do you hear that?
14 meters. 14 meters.
Can you imagine that? It's very long.
Yeah, maybe it's for special application.
Yeah. Okay. And yeah.
You can see the grit is very fine. The grain is very small, and this grain a little bit coarse. The grain is bigger than this one.
Yeah, for aluminum oxide, we are available for grade from 36 to 400. Yeah.
Even the 600 grade also available.
Yeah. So Larissa, can you introduce the zirconia and the ceramic sanding belts to our customers?
Yes, look at this belt. It's called zirconia alumina, also called the zirconium by some customers. This is for coarse to medium grade applications.
Coarse to medium grade.
Yes, on metal and or hard metals. And the color usually is blue and green. You can see this is blue.
Yeah, it's blue. You see,
Yes.
this is coarse grade.
It has large fracture planes and it self-sharpness as it curves. The popular grade is from 24 to 120 grade. Yeah.
Oh.
Most mainly for the coarse grade.
Oh.
Not like the aluminum at 600 grade. Very fine.
Oh yeah, right. And what about ceramic?
Whoa, the ceramic is the very expensive material because
It's very expensive.
it have very long life and fastest cut rate of all coated abrasive, and the color usually is red and orangey and other bright colors. So used primarily on metal applications.
Metal?
Yes, metal and stainless steel also can be used. the popular grade is from 24 to 15. 15.
What?
No, 24 to 120 grades.
120. Oh, okay.
Yes, it also for the coarse and media grade.
So you can see there's not really finer grade for ceramic.
A media grade.
And look at this one. This is the one that I see is not really widely used in the world. Just from my experience, because I don't have really. Yeah, this is silicon carbide. You can see.
Also black colors.
Yeah, it only has black.
Do you know the industrial for silicon carbide?
For silicon carbide, the most widely used work I know is for glass.
Yes.
Yeah.
Glass, plastic, marble, stone, and wood products.
Oh.
Also for MDF industrial, but especially for the very white, sanding belt.
White. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Cool.
Usually the white is 1 meter. Yes, you
Put it
can.
here.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Long belt, small belt, we can do. Don't forget to follow us.
Yeah.
Another grain is the compact grain. You can see it has very big grain on the belt. It has a very long life during using. When you use the one layer grains, it has another layer grains. So it has a very long life.
And you can see it's very coarse.
You can see the grain is very coarse, very big grain. So it's for the coarse grinding. Also, you can see the belt on the desk have somewhat. This belt is very flexible. Do you know the backing? With the tips of the backing, it's very flexible, soft backing.
Yeah.
Very. Yes, you can see. You can see it's very, very flexible. Wow, it's a J weight backing. So which is widely used in manual market.
What other weight does sanding belts have?
Also have the Y. You can see this. It's a Y weight backing.
Y weight?
Yes, it means very heavy duty and very hard backing.
Oh,
so you
very
cannot-
heavy duty.
Yes, heavy duty and hard backing. White polyester backing.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
And what others?
What are they? Like the X weight.
Axe weight.
Yes, X weight is middle in the X weight and the J weight. It's softer than Y weight, but harder than J weight.
So the main weights for sanding belts is X weight, Y weight, and J weight.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. Also, some belts have the keeper backing. It's very flat,
Oh, okay.
softer than J weight.
Okay. Oh, don't forget to be active in our live room.
Yes, follow us for discount.
Yes,
discount
follow us.
update.
Follow our beauty.
For discount updating and click link below to know more about A-Home abrasives.
Yeah, you can. If you want to talk more with us after the live room, just find our company name, Jia County A-Home Abrasives find our company name in some social media like Google, like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and wherever you use you can find us, and we are there waiting for you all the time.
Yes, you can find us in everywhere.
Yeah. So we already talked a lot about the sanding belts. So do you find some a little detail on the sanding belt? Do you find a little detail on the sanding belt?
Like how do you
Do you know?
connect the belt?
Yeah. Do you know about how to connect the belt? Yeah, I mean the joint. Do you know that? Let's find a clear sanding belt for you.
This belt,
Oh, here.
you can see.
Yeah. The first joint for the first joint is the butt joint. You can see here. It's a line and it's a butt joint. It's usually for the long sanding belts like this. It's really long. You can see it's really long, right?
Yes, the bar joint have the tapes. You can see this. The tapes on the joint.
Yeah, like this.
Also, the tapes can be other colors like blue, green, and white colors.
Yeah, I'll show you one in blue.
Yeah.
You can see this one. It's blue.
Yeah,
The
blue,
type is blue, right? And another type is the overlap. Yeah, what is overlap? It's like
This one is okay.
this one is overlap. You can see. Can you see the difference?
This is overline.
This is butt joint. This is overlap. You can see the difference from the camera clearly, right?
You can see the difference from the backing side. Yes. This bar joint has the tape and the overlap without the lip. Yes, and also the width of the lip is 0.1 to 1 millimeter. Yeah.
And overlap joint is always for small size sanding belt. Yeah. So we'll know clearly about how to about the little details about the sanding belts, and we move to next step is how can we calculate the price of the sanding belt. So it's mostly depends on its material, the grade, and the size. So size is the most different.
Yes. If you want the price, you just send the three items, so we can give you the price accordingly.
Yeah, but as I know, most customers don't know how to measure its size correctly. So let Larissa show you clearly how to measure it.
So the length is the circle length like this. You need to measure it one circle like this, not just the diameter like this. So this belt is 1.5 meters. Yes.
Millimeters.
1.5 meter and.
Oh, okay. 1.5 meters.
Yes. Yes. So
This is
the length.
the measure just now is the length, not the wrong measurement is from here to here. This is wrong.
It's
Okay.
not correct. Yeah.
Can you put your hand here?
Yeah.
This is wrong. This is wrong.
Yes. Please remember the circle length.
Yeah, like this. Okay.
Okay.
Remember it.
Of course, any size can be customized. The length without length limited, even need to less than 100 meters. The width within the 1.4 meters can be made.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, if you do you have any questions about the sanding belt?
So after we measure the sanding belt, and when you want to order the sandbelt, you need to measure your products first, like the way I just told you, and
the width and the grade and the material.
Yeah. It must be clear and it must be exact data, cause only even just 1 millimeter it will influence the price. Like if you calculate 1 millimeter more, and your price will be increased.
And also it cannot be worked on your standard machine.
Yeah, like the sandbelts will be put on your machine, and your sizes it must be fixed. Your size you told the size you told us must be fix your machine, and you must tell us the exact size. Then we can give you the exact price, the right price. Cause we are manufacturer, we are not dealer, so we don't have a price list for the products. Yeah, and you must tell us exact details about the products. Mostly, but I will repeat it to you again: the size, the grade, and the material. And you can know. There's one thing, and you must when you want to ask a price from us, you must tell us your usage for the sanding belts also, because even for the same material, and there are many kinds of different many kinds of safe material. There are many kinds of different usage for it. Like for example, like for the zirconia sanding belts, and some kinds of zirconia sanding belts is for polishing the floor, and some other kinds of zirconia is for polishing the metal. And
Stainless steel.
the sanding belts for polishing the metal can't be used for polishing the what I said. Polishing the floor.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is really important. So please remember, when you want to guess the price for sanding belts, even if it is not from us, even when you ask for some other suppliers, you must tell them the material, the grade, the size, and your usage. Do you remember that?
The important thing need to repeat 3 times.
Yeah. So if you remember that, let's move to next part. Okay. Let's welcome Owen and Bianca.